Hello Macro Heart community, welcome back. So these days I have been working on studying the economic aspects of our design protocol, and relating to that I want to discuss with you something called systemic risks in DeFi. So you all must have seen the price of certain currencies like Ethereum falling like this. Now if you wonder why the price suddenly crashes like this, it's not a coincidence. It is due to a series of events which occur one after the other, in particular liquidation of loans. So such series of events are called cascading events, in which one event triggers the other and this happens in a cascading way. So in order to understand that in more detail, let's take an example. Suppose there are three borrowers, Alice, Bob and Charlie, and each of these borrowers have borrowed USDC by putting Ethereum as collateral. Now their loan terms are such that Alice's liquidation price is Ethereum at $1,520, Bob's liquidation price is Ethereum at $1,510, and Charlie's price is $1,500. And let us assume that they are borrowing from a DeFi lending protocol, for example Aave. Now suppose that due to some external reasons, the price of Ethereum falls and it goes below $1,520. Let us say it goes to $1,519. Now the reason of this first crash can be an external one. For example, SEC has cracked down on one of the major projects again. So once the price of Ethereum goes below $1,520, the Ethereum taken from Alice as collateral will be sold at a discount. So imagine that Alice's Ethereum is sold for $1,515. Now this sell pressure of Ethereum will reduce the price of Ethereum further. Now this sell-off from Alice's collateral will reduce the price of Ethereum further. And let us suppose that this sell-off reduced the price of Ethereum to $1,510. Now this will trigger the liquidation for Bob's collateral. And similarly, Bob's Ethereum will be sold at a discount at a price of $1,505. Now again, due to this sell pressure, the price of Ethereum will fall even further, and once it reaches $1,500, the liquidation price of Charlie will be triggered and his collateral will be sold, and this will further reduce the price of Ethereum. This is how we can see that once the price of Ethereum touched $1,520, it will fall all the way to $1,500. And as I told you that there are many bots in the Ethereum's network, this series of events occur automatically, and it won't take more than a handful of transactions for these series of events to conclude. So therefore, the price of Ethereum will go from $1,520 to below $1,500 in 30 seconds or even less. That's why events like this are so common, in which the price of a major cryptocurrency crashes like there is no floor. So one serious consequence of this cascading events is that if the external trigger is very strong, for example what happened during FTX collapse, there was a lot of FUD in the market, then this cascading events will keep on occurring and price of major cryptocurrencies can fall drastically, and this can theoretically lead to a short-term collapse in the market. So that's why these risks in DeFi are called systemic risks, because they can affect the whole market. However, we don't need to worry, because with the upcoming innovations and work being done in the industry, these risks are being reduced. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button, and if you're watching me for the first time, then subscribe to this channel and become part of Macro Heart community, where we are building the next economy. So see you all tomorrow, and until then, bye bye.